let's start off. Alakan, can you give a quick reminder to everyone about how Kspir's core works and how easy we make it for our clients and users?
Sure. Thank you, Jonathan. Hi, everyone. Just to remind everyone, Kspir is a cloud-based web application that allows owner-operators to control, govern, and manage all parts of the spir process. Each organization who uses Kspir will have their own login, which provides them with their own tailored view of Kspir and projects they're involved in. We will log in now to a demo owner-operator to demonstrate the features today. So let's start by doing that. And on the screen, currently, we have an example of a project, including all of the project details, the relevant parties, as well as project milestones. The power of having all of this data in the same place is instantly recognized. As you can see, the reports here that you wouldn't be able to see in the traditional spir process. And more importantly, it's in general, it's a live view of the data that as soon as something changes in the document, you will be able to see here and are reflected. And all of these reports are fully configurable, and you can really easily create new reports and add them to this dashboard. And if we move off the dashboard and go to the document page, here we're able to see that Kspir provides visibility of all documents in the project. You can see their completeness, you can see the parties, who was the last person to modify it and when. And let's actually have a look inside one of these. And as you can see here, this document page resembles an existing spreadsheet format, but we've brought it into the 21st century. And this document is split into 3 sections: the header, the tag records, and the spare part. Each one of these sections has its own audit trail, and you can see all the changes that have been done by which users and what changes have been actually made and when. And if we now try to edit one of these, we will be able to see how the actors go about filling in this document. And for example, if we go into the cell, we can see that it has been pre-configured and there is a finite list of values from which the manufacturers can take the data from. And all of these configurations and what properties are included in the spare parts are configured by data specifications. The data specifications, there are different types. And for example, if we look at the spare part details data specification, we can see that it allows the owner operator to configure the document template to ensure that consistent and high quality data is captured using Kspir. Importantly, manufacturers cannot edit this, so it's not going to you wouldn't have a case like you do in the Excel spreadsheet, for example, where people can fill around with the format and then create a myriad of quality issues later on. And examples of configuration that Kspir allows you to control is a data type. For example, you can create a list of values, you create different representations, or control units of measurement, number of decimal places, and things like this. Also, everything that is highlighted as blue on the screen is a concept, which means that if we click on it, we will be able to see all the alternative terminology, the abbreviations, and also really importantly, definitions. This allows the exchange of data without loss of meaning. So all the parties involved know what everyone is talking about. And also, as you can see, there are multiple different languages here. And this allows you to easily translate your specification into the desired language.